What to know before giving birth abroad for citizenship there? Global citizens. Asterisk, are you thinking about giving birth abroad so your child can automatically become a citizen of another country? Maybe you've heard about birthright citizenship, and you're curious how it works. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into what you must know before giving birth in another country for the purpose of acquiring citizenship by birth for your child, legally, safely, and smartly. Grab a notebook, because we're not just scratching the surface. We're unpacking which countries offer birthright citizenship, the legal risks, costs, healthcare access, immigration, and visa tips, and what it means for you as a parent. Let's go. Number 1. Understanding birthright citizenship. First, what does it mean to get citizenship by birth? It's simple. Some countries automatically grant citizenship to any baby born on their soil, regardless of the parent's nationality or immigration status. This is known as just solely Latin for right of the soil, but not every country offers this. Interactive prompt on screen. Have you ever thought about giving birth abroad? Comment below which country you have in mind. Let's take a look at countries that do and don't offer birthright citizenship. Number 2. Countries that offer automatic birthright citizenship. Asterisk, here are some popular countries that still practice unconditional birthright citizenship. United States, yes. Canada, yes. Mexico, yes. Brazil, yes. Argentina, yes. Uruguay, yes. NOW. These next countries offer conditional birthright citizenship, meaning at least one parent must be a resident or legally settled. Australia, only if parents are permanent residents. UK, same. Parent must be settled. Germany, if one parent has lived there legally for at least 8 years. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and most of Europe do not offer birthright citizenship. Which country offers unconditional birthright citizenship? Of France, B. Brazil, C. Germany. Answer B. Number 3. Legal considerations and risks. Let's get something straight. Just because a country offers birthright citizenship doesn't mean it's risk-free. Here are a few things you must understand. 1. Visa fraud and illegal entry. If you enter a country under false pretenses just to give birth, say on a tourist visa, when you intend to stay long-term, that could lead to visa cancellation, fines, or even bans. 2. Birth tourism laws. U.S., for example, has cracked down on birth tourism schemes. There have been raids on birth hotels in California and investigations by immigration officers. If you're not transparent during visa applications or interviews, it may come back to haunt you. 3. Dual citizenship restrictions. Some countries don't allow dual citizenship. So while your child might gain citizenship at birth, they might have to give one up later. Your home country laws allow dual citizenship? Drop your country in the comments. Asterisk number 4. Questions to ask before making the decision. Ask yourself these important questions. Can I afford the medical and travel costs? Will I be able to access healthcare legally and safely? What are the immigration rules for the baby's father, mother? Am I eligible to stay in the country post-delivery? What happens if the baby is premature? Realized planning saves real-world headaches. Number 5. Costs involved in giving birth abroad. Now let's talk money. Giving birth overseas isn't cheap, especially if you're going private. Here's a breakdown of average costs in some popular destinations. United States without insurance, $10,000, $30,000. Canada as a non-resident, $6,000, $12,000. Brazil public hospitals, free. Mexico private hospital, $3,000, $7,000. Pro tip: many people opt for Brazil or Mexico because they offer affordable private care and automatic citizenship. Would you consider a country like Brazil for the low cost and dual citizenship benefits? Let me know what you think. Number 6. Health and insurance access. Next, healthcare. Not every country will treat you for free just because you're pregnant. In fact, in countries like Canada and Australia, non-residents are often required to pay in full or buy international maternity insurance. And keep in mind, some hospitals may refuse to treat you without upfront payment. You might be asked for proof of ability to pay at immigration or at the airport. Always contact the hospital directly or work with a legal agency that specializes in maternity tourism. Number 7. Immigration and visa strategy. Here's a visa checklist. For giving birth abroad, choose a visa that matches your intent. If you're staying for 2 to 3 months, a visitor visa might work. Anything longer, consider a medical or long-stay visa. Arrive early. Aim to be in the country by the 6th or 7th month of pregnancy. Airlines often restrict travel beyond 36 weeks. Be honest during visa interviews. If you're caught hiding your pregnancy, you could face denial. Important: just because your baby is a citizen doesn't mean you can stay indefinitely. You'll likely have to return home unless you get another visa. Number 8. Benefits for the baby. Okay, so what's in it for the baby? Here are a few long-term benefits of giving birth abroad. A second passport, giving your child visa-free travel to more countries, access to education in their country of birth, healthcare rights. As a citizen, easier path to sponsor parents in some countries, like the US, after they turn 21, more job opportunities in the future. But remember, these benefits don't happen instantly. Many come into play over time. Number 9. Can you get residency through your baby? Here's the truth. Having a baby in a foreign country doesn't automatically give you any legal right to live there. But in some countries, it can help you apply for residency as the parent of a citizen. For example, Brazil, foreign parents of Brazilian children can apply for permanent residency. Mexico, same rule applies. Argentina offers residency to foreign parents of Argentine-born kids. USA, no direct path until the child turns 21 and can sponsor you. Always check the immigration rules for parents in the country of birth. Number 10. Documentation you'll need. Here's your checklist for post-birth documentation. Baby's birth certificate from local authorities, local passport if applicable, citizenship papers in some countries, report of birth abroad if you're registering the birth with your embassy, your child's foreign passport, travel documents if you're returning home. Always register the birth both in the country of birth and with your own country's embassy if possible. Before we wrap up, here are some top tips and common mistakes to avoid. Don't hide your pregnancy at immigration. Don't rely on rumors. Talk to a lawyer. Budget everything from airfare to postnatal care. Learn a bit of the local language. Have emergency contacts and a birth plan. Keep backup copies of all documents. Giving birth abroad for citizenship can be a beautiful, smart, and strategic choice if you do it the right way. It's not just about the passport. It's about planning, preparation, and protecting your future. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more smart travel, visa, and immigration tips every week. See you in the next video, future citizens of the world.